स्वागत है सबका फिर से इस चैनल में। और हम लोग आज फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे हमारे आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द पॉटेड प्लांट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट दिस वन जरबेरा एंड देन बेलेडोना, राइट? So today and we will learn about another plant that is bird of paradise, या फिर इसको जो कॉमन नेम है मोस्टली इट्स कॉल्ड बर्ड ऑफ पैराडाइज, और इसका जो बोटानिकल नेम है वो है स्ट्रेलिट्जिया रेजिने, राइट? और इसका जो फैमिली है वो है स्ट्रेलिट्जियासी। You can see the picture here, it look very beautiful. Like why it's called bird of paradise? क्योंकि ये थोड़ा resemble करता है like a bird also, right? और इसका जो कलर है बहुत एलिगेंट है, बहुत खूबसूरत है, so that's why it is called bird of paradise. इसका जो magnificent flower है and the large green leaf, right? It's very beautiful and like very exotic, जिसका orange yellow color है. So we will know some of its importance. थोड़ा बहुत इसका मतलब इसके importance, origin and all we will know. So mostly it is originated actually. Mostly इसका जो height है it's 80 centimeter, और इसका जो origination है it's from South Africa, right? And it is और अगर आप पॉट में प्लांट करोगे it will be very attractive, okay? So you should grow it in pot or bucket. और एक और reason है why you need to plant it there, because of the this one watering also, ताकि अच्छा drainage हो, right? Over watering ना हो. So especially the blossom of the bird of paradise are attracting the eyes, right? इसका जो कलर है बहुत अट्रैक्ट करता है आइस को, एंड देन like it's very popular cut flower because of the bright colorful blossom, okay? जो last करता है, जो इसका flowering है it lasts like almost 4 weeks, alright? So you can enjoy, if you want this flower like to a year, like you can enjoy it nicely, okay? The color, the beauty. So optimal care it's needed, okay? You have to really take care of it because it grows up to 2 meters, so in a bucket or in a pot, so you have to really take care of it, all right? And जैसे मैंने बोला जो इसका origination है it's from where? South Africa. So from there like then it widespread around the world, right? And then for the first time in Europe में first time it came in the 18th century. Then after that in Germany in the 19th century, like that. So then it spread in the whole world, okay? So yeah, and then one more thing, this one it is actually a sun loving plant, all right? The bird of paradise, it loves the sun, okay? So even if you put it in a pot, make sure इसको मतलब धूप बहुत पसंद है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप जहाँ पर प्लान कर रहे हो इवन इफ इज इन अ पॉट, सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट कि इसको प्रॉपर सनलाइट मिले, ओके? सो स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग फ्रॉम मई टू सितंबर इसको बाहर ही like गार्डन में रखना है, ओके? इफ यू हैव अ गार्डन सो यू पुट आउटसाइड, और यू कैन पुट इन द वरांडा ऑल्सो, जहाँ पर अच्छा प्रॉपर सनलाइट मिले, okay? या फिर टेरेस में या फिर बालकनी में. So a warm, sunny and airy spot would be very perfect for this plant, for this flower, all right? So this was just a little bit about the care, all right? And even if you grow it, it can be grown even in a semi shade, like okay it's getting मतलब इसको धूप मिल रहा है, but at the same time if it's like if you put in a semi shade जहाँ पर मतलब ज़्यादा धूप भी नहीं है, but it can manage, okay? Semi shade area में it can manage, but don't put it in a too dark place because ये जो ब्लूमिंग पीरियड है इसको डैमेज कर सकता है, या फिर फ्लावर ब्लूम ही नहीं होंगे, एब्सेंस होगा, Okay, it will be absent, it won't be there, the blooming stage. So you have to really take care of it, seeing to all this importance. So the following is very important, that it need a warm bright location, और इसको fresh air की भी ज़रूरत होती है, with a high, like with sufficient high humidity. Okay, high humidity. And like you have to ventilate it also for several time a day, regular interval में. और इसलिए इसको एक और रीज़न है कि इसको पॉट में प्लान किया जाता है, बिकॉज वाई, बिकॉज इट कांट टॉलरेट वाटर लॉगिंग. कोई प्लान, देयर आर सम प्लान के जैसे आप वाटरिंग करोगे तो पानी रह जाता है ना, इट डजंट ड्रेन नाइसली राइट फ्रॉम द पॉट. सो या फिर इट कांट टॉलरेट, सो यू हैव टू चेक दैट ऑल्सो. राइट, तो इसलिए अदरवाइज इसका जो रूट है वो रॉट हो जाएगा, इट विल बी, मतलब वो सड़ जाएगा. तो इसलिए तो पॉट में स्पेशली जहाँ पर ड्रेनेज है, where you can drain it, like we used to make a hole right in the bucket, या फिर बकेट, या फिर आपका जो पॉट है उसमें होल होना चाहिए जहाँ से ये अच्छा से जो वाटर है वो ड्रेन हो, और वहाँ पर मतलब पानी ना, मतलब स्टैग्नेंट ना हो, अदरवाइज इट कैन डैमेज द प्लांट. So this was something about this plan, okay, bird of paradise. So if you want to know more about it, so you can ask me, okay, I'll tell you more. There are so many things, it's very vast, so it's just for identification. So I hope you will understand till there, but if you need more then you can ask me, okay. And even reporting also आप कर सकते हो, reporting. ओके, जब आपका जो प्लान है, ओके, जब आपका प्लान है इट्स ग्रोइंग सो मच, और जो पॉट है वो छोटा हो रहा है उस प्लान के लिए, मतलब जो ग्रोथ हो रहा है इसका, तो उसके बाद और आप देख पा रहे हो तो यू कैन चेंज और यू कैन रिपोर्ट इट. राइट, एंड इवन वाटरिंग ऑल्सो, वाटरिंग इज, या इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट स्टिल you have to take care even of the watering also. So, and even fertilizer also you can add, like जैसे कि दूसरे प्लान में भी आपने fertilizer डाला है तो इसमें भी you can apply fertilizer. Alright, a small amount of fertilizer is enough. ज़्यादा amount of fertilizer डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just a small amount, right, and mix it with the soil, especially in the spring and summer. Okay, you should fertilize it. Spring season में और summer season में fertilize कीजिए once in a week. Okay, and then just mix the fertilizer with the soil and all, and then just pour it. ठीक है, so that's why it help to grow. मतलब जो leaves है and flower है, like they develop fast. So just use, but don't use that much also. Okay, so this was some about the this one, bird of paradise. Now we'll come to the next plant. Now here next is coral berry, या फिर इसको Christmas berry भी बोलते हैं. Right, why? Because mostly in the Christmas season, okay, the berry used to like come out nicely, and you can see the color also. It's very you will feel like very like Christmas that time during the winter season, right? So that's why it's called coral berry, या फिर इसको Christmas berry भी बोलते हैं. और इसका जो botanical name है वो क्या है? Ardisia crenata, और इसका family है Myrcinaceae. ठीक है, and then और इसका जो origination है it's from East Asia. Alright, and the flowering, okay, the flowering it is during the summer season. Alright, and then it produces the berry. Flowering के बाद फिर berry produce हो जाता है, and it make a very lively or attractive shrub जैसे दिखता है. Alright, so you can grow it with like it is a slow growing plant actually. ये ज़्यादा मतलब fast growing plant नहीं है, it's a slow growing plant, and then but it is easy to grow. Easy है grow करने में, और with the right word, with the right attention and care. Okay. So Coral berry, it is a shrub that grows with a single stem or possibly multiple stem. Alright, displaying branches of leathery oval shaped leaf which can be grown outdoor or indoor with the correct condition. Okay. So you can see in the picture also that how it is growing, how the leaves are, its leaves kaise hai and all. So you can see, right? So it can be grown as an outdoor also, but indoor also. But in most of the places, like even in some area of northeast also, there like they used to put it inside the house only mostly, मतलब घर के अंदर, especially Christmas में. Okay, so yeah, and then इसका जो flowering है, जैसे मैंने बोला कि it is the flowering, it is mostly in the summer season. और जो color है, it's a small cluster of white or very pale pink flower which bloom late spring to early summer. ठीक है, late spring में या फिर early summer में bloom होता है. And once they bloom, okay, they follow by a cluster of red berries. Right, so it's really beautiful, right? And it lasts for like few months. For few months it lasts. जो berries है वो last होता है for few months. And the flower and the berries appear within the mid section of the tree, like mid section of the tree, या फिर उसका जो मतलब main branch है वहाँ से ही इस मतलब berry appear होते हैं. Okay, like it comes out or it got produced. So it is very interesting plan. Okay, and then so this was about the coral berry. And then yeah, one more thing, जो इसका temperature है, okay, that you need to put it, so it should be average warm. Like average warm is fine, of approximately like 60 to 75 Fahrenheit या फिर 15, okay, 15 to 24 degree Celsius. Okay, and no lower than 45 या फिर 45 degree Fahrenheit or 8 degree Celsius. ठीक है, so जो इसका average warm है, warmness होना चाहिए उसका, मतलब जो temperature है, it should be 15 to 24 degree Celsius. Right? और इसका जो light है, like it is really it love bright light. Okay, but yeah, not direct sunlight, but it love light. Okay, so not that much, like you can say semi shade. Okay, semi shade. And even water also, water when the soil begin losing it, don't water like every day or anything, लेकिन soil को देख के आपको watering करना है. Okay, you have to touch the soil that it is moist or not, फिर आपको डालना है, otherwise ज़्यादा मतलब हो जाएगा, then it will be problem for the root. Okay, so and yeah, fertilizer also, you can put fertilizer at least once every other month. Okay, so you can feed with a balanced fertilizer once a month. ठीक है, from spring. And yeah, reporting भी कर सकते हो according to the size, मतलब जैसे आप देखोगे size it's growing, so you can report it. So yeah, this was some about the plan. And yeah, propagation also it can be done, but mostly जो propagation होता है, it's just by the seed or even stem also, and even like stem cutting. Alright, seed या फिर stem cutting is the main propagation that is done in this. Okay, so it is very easy to grow, mostly indoor में, तो you can try this, especially now it's winter season, so you can go for it. Alright, so this was some about the coral. And yeah, और इसको grow करने में, yeah, it is easy, but there are also some problem that you have to see. Okay, problem like what? जो growing problem है इसका is one or two things that happen. Okay, ज़्यादा नहीं है. So अगर आप जैसे मैंने बोला कि if you water also your plant, so you have to see to it. Okay, ताकि water logging ना हो. और mulching भी कर सकते हो. You can do mulching to keep the soil moist. okay, and from evaporating off too quickly, क्योंकि जल्दी evaporate हो जाता है, तो especially dry season में, so you can do mulching also to preserve the moisture in the soil nicely, ठीक है. And then yeah, one more thing is the pests. Okay, जो pests या फिर disease है, तो जो pests है, it is like not that much. Okay, pests actually it's unknown because they don't feed on this, क्योंकि nothing seems to find it really tasty जो ये इसके berries है, right? So that's why there is no such pests. But yeah, leaf cutter ants, जो ants है, like they are fine in the leaf. Okay, so even leaf mold, so you have to see to this. Okay, if you see this, then you can prevent it by what, like जो arborist sticky paint है, you can use that. ठीक है, you can use that and then prevent them from going up to the trunk. So yeah, and then so this is some. And even mealybug also, जो mealybug है, even that also, it's one type that can try to crawl in your this one Christmas berry bush. So you can use this one, the spray of neem oil का भी आप उपयोग कर सकते हैं, you can use that. And जो disease है, it's one, actually there is one main disease जो होता है इसमें, वो है fungal root rot. Alright, so you can take care of that, okay, by checking the soil every time and then. Okay, so this was about coral berry. Thank you. I hope you understand till there. So if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask. So till then, thank you.